When an old poet recited a verse at a member of Mughal king Bahadur Shah Zafar's court, it ended in a very peculiar situation. The member of court complained to the king, who summoned the poet to his court to explain himself. The verse went something like this.
बना है शाह का मुसाहिब, फिरे है इतराता। बना है शाह का मुसाहिब, फिरे है इतराता।
Which offended the aide of the king. But in defense of his actions, the poet read the entire poem. And now, this is how it went. बना है शाह का मुसाहिब, फिरे है इतराता, वगरना शहर में गालिब की आबरू क्या है. This not only shifted the mood in the court, but also gained this old poet the favor of the last Mughal emperor. The poet was none other than Mirza Ghalib. Born Mirza Asadullah Beg Khan on December 27, 1797 in Agra, India, is one of the most revered poets in Urdu literature. Orphaned at a young age, he was raised by his wealthy relatives, which led to a life of indulgence. Ghalib moved to Delhi in 1812, where he married at the age of 13 and began his literary career. Despite his immense talent, he faced financial struggles and often relied on patronage. Ghalib is best known for his ghazals, which explore the themes of love, loss, and existential reflection, characterized by intricate wordplay and deep emotional resonance. He wrote extensively in both Persian and Urdu, but it is his Urdu poetry that remains more celebrated. His life was marked by personal tragedies, including the loss of all 7 of his children in infancy. In his later years, Ghalib gained some recognition, serving as the royal historiographer for Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor. He witnessed the upheaval of the 1857 Indian Rebellion, which profoundly impacted him. Ghalib passed away on February 15, 1869 in Delhi, leaving behind a rich legacy of poetry and letters that continue to influence Urdu literature today. His works are cherished for their beauty, complexity, and insightful exploration of the human condition. And now, my personal favorite, an excerpt from one of Ghalib's ghazals. जो आऊँ सामने उनके तो मरहबा न कहें, जो जाऊँ वहाँ से कहीं को तो खैर बात नहीं, कभी जो याद भी आता हूँ मैं तो कहते हैं कि आज बज़्म में कुछ फितना व फसाद नहीं.